If we want to graph equations, we want to put it into slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So our goal is to solve for y. So the first thing I'm going to do is move the x term over. So I'm going to subtract 5x to both sides of the equal sign. That will cancel, and I have negative 4y equals, in the equation, the x goes first, and then the non-x term goes second. My next step, divide by what's attached to y. Those cancel, and y equals a negative divided by a negative is a positive. There's my equation. My slope is 5/4, which means I rise 5 and I run 4. And my b, or my y-intercept, is negative 4. So let's go ahead and just graph this so you can see how you would graph it. I'm going to start with the y-intercept. At negative 4, I'm going to draw a dot. Then I'm going to go up 5. So I'm always going to go up or down and then always to the right. So up 5, right 4, and draw a dot. I would do that 2 times if I had room, and then I would draw my line through it. I always like to check by drawing a little stick figure, and he should be walking up because my slope is positive. Let's try another problem. Again, I have more fractions this time. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move the x term over by doing the opposite. So I'm going to add 4/3 x. I'm going to add 3/4 x. Those will cancel, and I have 1/2 y equals the x term first, the non-x term second. Well, to get rid of this, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal, so I'm going to multiply by 2/1, so by 2/1 and by 2/1. Those cancel, and I'm left with y equals 6/4 x, I forgot the x over here, minus 2. When I reduce that, that's 3/2 x minus 2. There's my equation. My slope is 3/2, which means I rise 3 and I run 2, and I start at negative 2, which is my y-intercept. So at negative 2, I draw a dot. Then I go up 1, 2, 3 over 2. Up 1, 2, 3 over 2. And now I can connect my line through it.